What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2015 INFINITI Q50 3.7 liter. Look at that, sexy. We've done a lot of work on this one. So, factory converter there, 2 flex pipes there and there, then 2.5-inch pipe into a Borla Pro XS, right there, dual in, dual out, part number 400286. There'll be a link in the description. Then we ran 2.5 system, then 2.5 pipe all the way back. And then he added also 2 flow FXs by FLOWMASTer, there and right there, part number 71416. And then we completed it and put some new shoes on her. 4-inch stainless steel double wall tips to complete the look, right there and right there. There's everything that was on it. There's the resonator, there's the intermediate pipe, and there's the muffler and tips, as you guys can see. So it's I don't know why INFINITI does that, but they wire it together in and out instead of just true dualing it all the way. So that's what we did. We true dualed it all the way, made it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that's perfect. That's clean. Yeah, I like that. What do you guys think? Just clean, sporty sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98.4, so 99 we'll say. Wow, that's clean, smooth. And it will, guys, always remember, mufflers and exhaust always takes about 30 days to break in. So give it about 30 days, it gets a little bit louder, about 10% more louder. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI Q50 Borla True Duals in the center with Flow FX rears.